Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today my first lecture of class 8th title Extinct Animals. Extinct animals. Most animals and plants species which were found on the earth in the past are now extinct. More than 50 birds and 65 mammals have become extinct. Means now present times many plants and animal and different type of species are found to earth passed away. So here near about 50 birds and 65 mammals were have become extinct for hunting, loss of habitat and change in climate are the main cause of the extinction. Pictures of some of these animals are given below. Identify them. First picture, cab lion. Second, cab bear. C, woolly rhinoceros. And D, Asiatic cheetah. Means these all not present on earth. Cab lion, cab bear, woolly rhinoceros and Asiatic cheetah. After that, Marine ibex, passenger pigeon, G, Carolina parakeet, H, California grizzly bear, I, woolly mammoth, J, saber-toothed tiger, K, dodo and dinosaur, M, Steller sea cow and quagga. Means all these not present on earth. Again repeat, Pyrenees index, passenger pigeon, Carolina parakeet, just like look like a parrot, California grizzly bear, woolly mammoth, saber-toothed tiger, dodo, dinosaur, Steller sea cow and quagga. Some unfamiliar flora. These are some of the unfamiliar vegetations found in the world. Identify them with the help of clue and pictures. Flora means different types of species of plant. First, they bloom very once in the life. The blooming spikes shape all the resources so that the plant die leaving only a stalk. Means they bloom only once in life. This plant is called the century plant. This plant is called the century plant. They bloom only once in life. The blooming spikes accepts all the resources so that the plant die leaving only a stalk. Century plant. Second, synthesize a hormones-like substance that control the development of caterpillar. And this plant is called the African buckwheat. African buckwheat. synthesizes a hormone-like substance that controls the development of caterpillars. The name of this plant, African buckwheat. Third, contains a mild antibiotic that fight infections, tooths, bones, tampes, bee stings, and relieves its of athletic food. Leaf its of athletic food. The name of onion means onion have property antibiotic, fight the infections, burns. So use in this form onion. Fourth, an evergreen desert plant in southwest USA. Its seeds are composed of liquid wax which is used as a substitute for sperm oil. Means this plant is used to create liquid wax found in southwest USA. The name of this plant, jojoba. Name of the plant, jojoba. Next, fifth, the most poisonous plant. It is used to make digitaline used by for heart condition. Means this plant is used for heart patient. Name of this plant, foxglove. Foxglove. 6. It is the oldest new tree in Europe, 15-meter tall and perimeter 7-meter, crown diameter of 10-meter. It was declared the natural monuments in 1995 by the Australian government. Means it is the oldest new tree in Europe, 15-meter tall, perimeter 7 meters and crown diameter 10 meter. The name of this plant, Tuxu glacia. Question number 7. The carnivorous plant traps insects which stick to the juice secreted by its tentacy. Means the carnivorous plant trap insect and stick to the juice secreted from. The name of this plant, sundew. Sundew. Question number 8. The flowers consist of white spathe and a central golden yellow spike shorter than the spathe. All parts of plant are poisonous. The name of this plant, arum lily. Arum lily. Question number 9. Flowers closely resemble wasps, very attractive flowers. Male wasps visit them, helping in pollination. The name of this plant, bee orchid. Bee orchid. Garden glory. The beautiful, colorful flowers enhance everyone, whether it's human being, animals, or insect. Complete the missing parts of the name of the flower given below. The name of this flower, bluebells. Bluebells. Second, buttercup. The name of this flower, buttercup. Third, candy tuft. The name of this flower, candy tuft. Fourth, foxglove. Fifth, sweet pea. Sixth, China rose. Seventh, bladderwort. Eighth, prime rose. Means first one the bluebells, second buttercup, third candy tuft, fourth foxgloves, fifth sweet pea, sixth China rose, seventh bladderwort, eighth prime rose. Ninth, Venus flytrap. 10th, hollyhock. 11th figure, coronation. 12th sundew, 13 bougainvillea, 14 marigold, and 15 sunflower. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number, and each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.